We've already seen several leaked screenshots showcasing the upcoming user interface changes, and some One UI 7.0 apps are already available for download. A new leak from Taranvats33 gives us a glimpse of how the company plans to overhaul the lock screen in the upcoming update. The new features offer additional customization options that will be especially appealing to users who love personalizing their devices. Among the new features are pill-shaped widgets on the lock screen, displaying information like the weather and the battery status of connected devices, such as a Galaxy Watch. There are likely to be other widgets as well. Previous leaks have also hinted at a Live Activities UI component, which would allow these widgets to update dynamically based on ongoing tasks. More screenshots of Samsung apps from One UI 7.0 have been leaked online, courtesy of Jerwin van Giesen on X Twitter. One of the apps, Samsung Reminder, is already available for download and works well on devices like the Galaxy S24 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6. Along with Samsung Reminder, the leak showcases the Calendar, Voice Recorder, and Calculator apps. The screenshots highlight some minor changes to the user interface and updated icons. The Calendar app has undergone the most noticeable updates, including new widgets that allow for customization of the widget background and shape. Additionally, Samsung has added new color options for full-screen alarms and event reminders. The Voice Recorder app features a cleaner design with some UI elements repositioned. For instance, the list of recordings now shows the time and date on the left side of the screen while the play button is encircled on the right. The Samsung Calendar app is also available for download. If you'd like to try it, you can download the APK from the APK Mirror website and manually install it on your phone using the Samsung My Files app or any other file manager. According to the latest rumor from Taranvats on X, formerly Twitter, this contradicts an earlier report from last week. Previously, a leaked roadmap suggested the first public beta for One UI 7.0 would debut for the Galaxy S24 series in early December. However, the new rumor indicates that the rollout could begin in mid-December. Initially, the beta update is expected to be available in the US, Korea, and Germany, as these countries typically lead the first phase of Samsung's beta programs. The second phase will likely extend to India, Poland, the UK, and China. A leaked video has revealed One UI 7's faster animations and a redesigned quick panel featuring iOS-inspired elements. Although the initial release is expected to be buggy, despite Samsung's careful development, the company seems to have focused significantly on refining animations. The video, shared by tipster Ice Universe, gives us a closer look at the new quick panel and its fast animations. Samsung appears to be separating notifications from quick settings, with the latest clip highlighting the latter. Quick settings are now arranged in bubbles, much like iOS. Tipster Ice Universe has shared descriptions of several animations and transitions in the latest beta version of One UI 7.0. For instance, when you turn on the phone's screen, a soothing wallpaper shrinking effect is visible. Upon unlocking the screen, a bouncing animation is shown. Additionally, when you pull down the quick panel, you'll notice a spring rebound animation. One UI 7.0 also introduces more non-linear floating animations when launching apps, and when you return from an app to the app drawer, a zoom effect is applied to the app icons. Parallel animation for continuous app opening, a smooth, synchronized effect when opening multiple apps one after the other. Full animation for sliding apps, a detailed animation for sliding an app sideways to return to the desktop. Press rebound micro animation, a press effect added to buttons in the settings, along with a new return animation for smoother transitions. Transition animations for widgets. New animations for widgets, such as the lock screen music widget, offering a fresh user experience. Elastic animations for notifications. A dynamic, elastic effect for real-time notifications in the desktop notification bar. These features are expected to evolve after the beta release, with adjustments and new animations added based on feedback from internal testers. Users are encouraged to share their thoughts and suggestions during that period. While it's possible that the interface will resemble the version seen in the major leak from a few weeks ago, changes are still likely. However, a recent leak indicates that the Live Activities UI component will likely retain the sleek design showcased in the initial leak. Two screenshots appear to confirm the modern aesthetic of the Live Activities UI, featuring elegant blur effects and gradient elements. These images are said to come from Ice Universe on Weibo, shared by @TechHolid. The development of Android 15 and One UI 7.0 for Galaxy smartphones is advancing rapidly, with the first Android 15 test firmware spotted for the Galaxy A53 on Samsung servers. However, this firmware is an internal test build and does not yet represent the public beta release, which is currently only available for the Galaxy S24 series as of November 18th. While other devices, including the A53, may be eligible for the One UI 7.0 beta, there's no certainty that the A53 will be included. One UI 7.0 promises to be a significant update, overhauling many aspects of the user interface on Galaxy devices. For the Galaxy A53, this marks its third major OS upgrade, and it will also receive Android 16 and One UI 8.0 in the future, ensuring continued support for years to come. At the 2024 Developer Conference on October 3rd, Samsung confirmed that the main theme and goal of One UI 7.0 is to evoke positive and emotional reactions from users during their interactions with the interface. To achieve this, Samsung designed One UI 7.0 with a focus on a simple and emotive design. The company highlighted three key principles that form the foundation of this new design approach. Simple, prioritizing purposeful simplicity throughout the UI. Impactful, establishing a distinctive signature for One UI. Emotive, incorporating elements such as a new blur engine that evoke positive emotions in users. The Galaxy A55, Samsung's most premium mid-range smartphone for 2024, has appeared on Geekbench running Android 15. This version of Android will mark the first of 4 major OS upgrades for the Galaxy A55. While One UI 7.0 is scheduled for an official release in 2025, Samsung has been testing the next major OS update for both mid-range and flagship devices for some time. A few months ago, both the Galaxy A53 and Galaxy A54 were spotted on Geekbench running Android 15, and now the latest model in the series has joined them. Several Galaxy A55 benchmark results with Android 15 have appeared on Geekbench as of November 16th, indicating that development of the update may have gained momentum recently. However, this doesn't imply a quick release, as One UI 7.0 won't be officially available until 2025. Earlier this week, the first public One UI 7.0 beta update for Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra owners was spotted on Samsung servers, signaling that the long wait for the One UI 7.0 beta program is finally coming to a close. The initial beta firmware was found for Galaxy S24 Ultra models sold in India and Europe. It has now been spotted via Taran VATS on Samsung servers in nearly all the markets where the beta program will be available. These markets include the US, UK, Germany, Poland, India, and Korea. Although there's no sign of it in China yet, it's expected to appear there soon. While Samsung had initially promised its release before the year's end, with the stable version arriving early next year, a new rumor surrounding the update may not be well received. Tipster Ice Universe has claimed that the One UI 7.0 beta won't roll out smoothly. The beta version, including the latest firmware build, ending in XKB, is reportedly plagued with bugs, particularly related to animations. Some issues, which weren't present in earlier internal beta versions, have emerged in the current internal build. According to the tipster, Samsung has fallen behind other companies in several software areas, which is contributing to the delays as they work to resolve these issues. Excited for the One UI 7 beta? Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest Galaxy news and insights. See you in the next video.